Okay, so the next we have is Turbo by Monkey 6. Let's head to the website. Turbo, copy, paste, paid. Create and share branded payment links with Turbo. No website needed. Okay, this sounds interesting. What is it? It makes getting paid easier. It generates links to secure credit card payment pages. Nice. Okay, this is good. And like, okay, perfect. Your pricing done. Demo done, done, done. And partisan last. Okay, understood. Let's head to the site audit first. Post that will work on the domain overview, and post that will work on the copy or what keywords can we did use in this particular homepage to make it rank better and easier. So the site audit says that you have a 63% site health score, which is, to be honest, bad. And I'm sure there must be some good amount of errors here. Duplicate content, let's see. Okay, so you have to use this thing called canonical. I think you should read more about this. Uh, there's a reason why you can see three similar URLs being ranked here as a duplicate thing. And then you have, oh, so you might have a very similar sort of content in both of these pages, or you might have very less content to HTML ratio. That's why it's here. Let's get back. Href language conflicts. Okay, okay. Are you working with multiple language? Is it a multilingual website that you're working on? If yes, then you have to work on the href tag because these two, both of these errors are because of that. Duplicate title tags. You need to work on the meta title thing for all of this. Incorrect pages found in sitemap XML. Let's see which one is it. Turbo. Oh, sitemap not working. It isn't working. But the sitemap should not consist the URL sitemap. There has to be something in the backend. You have to check that out. Okay. What else do we have? Two pages with 4xx code. Files, broken link, support. Yes, support@gmail.com. Okay. That's my email ID. I'm not sure. It's one of my email IDs. I'm not sure how is it here. But okay, this is creepy now. Internal links are broken. You have to check that. And yeah, it should be expiring or expired certificate. Okay. It's hell lot of errors, honestly. You have to go to a search console to actually see which one are the main P1 errors and then solve them first and then come to warnings and then lastly notices. But do work on this and I would like to know how is one of my email ID here. But okay, let's jump on a domain overview part. To authority score, which is very basic, and 740 backlinks. No follower link removed. Top link page. Sona from 100 third pages. Okay. These are not some good backlinks to be honest. So backlinking is something that you have to work on apart from this. I think, yep. Your first P1 is to make sure that all of your technical SEO things are fixed by Google search in the Google Search Console. Second is work on some backlinks. And thirdly, let's jump onto the content part wherein what keywords should you induce, what keywords should you reduce, and what copy changes can we make. And yeah, here we go. Okay, so here we have copy, paste, paid, and then a sub tagline, and then the entire section. Okay, something seems off. Can we put this into center and can we remove this fight? Oh, okay. Okay, let's do this. Instead of copy, paste, paid, maybe something around the lines of simplify payments, create and share branded payment links instantly. And for the sub headline, we can have generate secure payment links in seconds, no website required. And then we can have the feature section here above. Okay. And we can say something like Turbo generates secure payment links, accept credit cards, ACH, and more with ease. With a CTA button, we can have instead of sign up and generate link, we can have something like start your free trial, and below this we can write something with a very small font size, create your first payment link now. In benefit, you can say Turbo simplifies your payment process, secure, customizable, and efficient. Also, you should focus on restructuring this. So, for example, if you're not using any heat map, I would advise you to install Microsoft Clarity. It's free. It will help you see till how much people and how many people are scrolling down and up till what extent. I personally feel you should put this above as partners, or oh, these are partners, not the testimonials, right? Okay. But anyways, this is something that will help the users to gain some trust. So put this either in the third fold or in the fourth fold, but put it above. Mm, you can, I think, put this FAQ section down because now you are explaining what is Turbo in the very first line. So the entire goal should be that anyone who lands on this website should know what Turbo is within the first 3 seconds. Okay. And yeah, we can put the FAQs down. Pricing should be, I think, come at the mm, second last section before footer. And then you have this sort of demo, custom domain name example, white label domain example. Okay. Okay. We can do this. Yeah, I think most of that would work out. What else we can do? Let's see. Do you have any blog here by any chance? Blog post? I can see that. But I think you worked on tools, right? Okay. Good. That's a good way, by the way, to actually make this work. But let's move forward. And by the way, for you to make these tools rank on Google, you have to create backlinks for them and SEO optimize it. Those are the only two ways. And when I say SEO optimize it, I just mean put the right amount of content with the right amount of keywords and create a lot of backlinks to make this work. Uh, for the website keyword, I believe we can focus on these keywords: best payment link generators, create branded payment links, custom payment links, secure online payments, online payment security, turbo case studies if you have any, small business payment solution, QR code payments retail, startup payment solutions, ACH payment benefit, ACH payments for businesses, white label payment solutions, and ACH payment processing tools, efficient invoice payment systems, QR code payment for small businesses. I think yep, this is something that I can think of right now. Um and I think using this, you can also start creating some blog posts, like how to create branded payment links for your business, um, the future of QR code payments in retail that will help you in standing up as an industry leader or something like that. Affordable payment processing solution for startups, and you can also start with some guide and put that embed that guide in your blog post with, for example, setting up recurring payments with Turbo, something like that. Integrating payment links into your website, a step-by-step guide, and herein you can plug in about your brand Turbo. I think this is this. I think add some of these keywords that I mentioned. Do your own research, by the way, because you know your product much better than I do. I am just giving you my 2 cents based on what I've seen in the last 5-10 minutes, right? So I think create a combination of it, change your copy, work on it, and when you work on the blog post, right? Think of these blog posts as mm, your first goal with blog post should be able to rank on a keyword whether doesn't matter whether the keyword has a volume of 100 or 1 million. The first goal should be to rank on a keyword within your niche, within what you do. uh, for example, let's say QR code payments for plumbing businesses in Norway. Let's say this is a long tail keyword that you have to target. Write an article on this, because when someone is searching for this, it has a very high intent and very low volume. So you might get on the very first position. So once you have landed on the first position on Google, then you can start working your way up, because that's the actual stair that you have to move forward in. So yeah, start with a very long tail keyword, then get less long tail, and ultimately target secondary keywords, and ultimately eventually primary keywords. So I think this will help. And yeah, install Microsoft Clarity to make sure that what people are doing on your website, to check the heat maps, to check the screen recordings, and work on the technical SEO part. I hope this helps. Thank you.